Hello students, welcome to PNMRC e-learning classes. Today we are going to start exercise 4.1. First question of exercise 4.1 is complete the last column of the table. In this question, this table is given in which you have to solve the sums by putting the values and then you have to complete the table. So student, let's solve part first of question number 1. In this part first, equation is given that is x plus 3 is equal to 0 and value of x that is equal to 3. It means we have to put the value of 3 in the equation and solve the sums. So students, by putting the value of x is equal to 3, that is given. Now in place of x, what we have put? We have put the value of x that is equal to 3. So 3 plus 3 that is equal to 0. 3 plus 3 that is 6. 6 is not equal to 0. So we can say that left hand side of the equation. This x plus 3 is the left hand side of the equation and this 0 is the right hand side of the equation. So left hand side of the equation is not equal to right hand side of the equation. So we can say that equation does not satisfy the value of x. So our answer is no. Students, here question is asked, say whether the equation is satisfied, yes or no. Our answer is no. Now second part is x plus 3 is equal to 0 and the value of x is 0. Now by putting the value of x in the equation and then we find out the answer of the question. Let's solve second part of question number 1. By putting the value of x is equal to 0, that is given. Now by putting the value of x is equal to 0 in the equation, in place of x I will write 0. So 0 plus 3 is equal to 0. 0 plus 3 that is equal to 3. That is not equal to 0. So we can say that left hand side, that is LHS, is not equal to RHS and our answer is no. Say whether the equation is satisfied, yes or no. My answer is no. So we will write here no. Students, we will solve third part of question number 1 and that is x plus 3 is equal to 0 where the value of x is minus 3. Now I will put the value of minus 3 in the equation and find out the answer of the question. So students, this is the equation x plus 3 is equal to 0 and value of x is equal to minus 3, that is given. Now by putting the value of x is equal to minus 3 in the equation, we will find out the answer. So in place of x, I have put minus 3. So minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Minus plus minus. 3 minus 3 that is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0. So we can say that LHS is equal to RHS and our answer is yes. Table we will write yes here. Yes, equation is satisfied. Now we will solve part 4. Students, we will solve fourth part of question number 1 where equation is given that is x minus 7 is equal to 1 and value of x is equal to 7, that is given. Now in place of x we will write 7. So in place of x we will write 7. 7 minus 7 is equal to 1. 7 minus 7 that is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 1. Now 0 is not equal to 1. So we can say that LHS is not equal to RHS and our answer is no. In part 4th we will write here no because this answer does not satisfy the equation. The value of x that is equal to 7 does not satisfy the equation. So our answer is no. Now let's solve sixth part of question number 1. That is 5x is equal to 25 and the value of x is equal to 0. Students, let's solve sixth part of question number 1. that is 5x is equal to 25. Value of x is equal to 0. Now we will put the value of x in 5x is equal to 25. So 5 into 0 because value of x is equal to 0. So 5 into 0 is equal to 25. 5 into 0 that is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 25. But 0 is not equal to 25. So we will say that 0 is not equal to 25. So LHS is not equal to RHS. And our answer is no. Here in the table we will write no. The value of x is equal to 0 is not satisfied. Now students, we will solve ninth part, that is m upon 3 is equal to 2 and value of m is equal to minus 6 given. So let's solve ninth part, that is m upon 3 is equal to 2 and value of m is equal to minus 6. In place of m I will write minus 6. So minus 6 upon 3 is equal to 2. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. Our answer is minus 2 is equal to 2. That minus 2 is not equal to 2. So we can say that LHS is not equal to RHS and our answer is no. So here in the table students we will write no. Now let's solve 10th part of question number 1, that is m upon 3 is equal to 2 where m is equal to 0 given. So let's solve 10th part. M upon 3 is equal to 2. Value of m is equal to 0 that is given. So in place of m I will write 0. So 0 upon 3 is equal to 2. So 0 is not equal to 2. So therefore LHS is not equal to RHS and our answer is no. Here in the table we will write no. Students, part 5, part 7, part 8 and part 11, that you have to do it yourself as a homework.